Good morning, class. Today we're going to continue brainstorming ideas for our small moment short stories. On Tuesday, you made a list of people, places, and events inside your heart. Then you picked one and decided to sketch out a beginning, middle, end, and make a little flash draft. Yesterday, you made a list of first times, the first time you did things. You chose one of those times, and again, you drew a beginning, a middle, an end. Then you flash draft. Today, we're going to continue generating ideas. But today, we're going to focus on times that you got in fights, had problems, troubles, all of those different things. We're going to brainstorm and make a list for some more ideas for our short stories. So, Miss Cohn did this. So, Miss Cohn brainstormed times I had a conflict or a problem. So I made a list. I said, I remembered one time where I overslept and was late to a meeting with Miss Ng. It was a big problem. Another time, I was so confused in one of my college classes and I failed a test. I had never failed anything before. The third time I wrote down was when I stole my younger sister's new dress and she got mad. Woof, she really got mad at me. That was quite the trouble. Then I picked one. So I picked the time I overslept and was late to my meeting with Miss Ng. But that felt kind of like a big time. That was a couple hours. So I zoomed in to waking up at 8:10, that moment. So I remember I was in my bed. Uh-oh, Miss Cohn put them in the wrong order. So I remember in the beginning, I was sleeping in my bed peacefully, as people do. I was thinking, I wonder what time it is. Then I woke up and saw 8:10. So I jumped out of bed screaming, ah! By the time I was out of bed, it was already 8:12. I got dressed and hurried out. I put my hand out waiting for a taxi. I really needed a taxi. Okay, so I made a list. I picked one, I zoomed in, and I drew my beginning, middle, and end. Now I'm going to take my pictures with me so I can do a quick little flash draft. Remember, your draft is based on these pictures. My beginning, my middle, and my end. Okay, so I looked at my beginning and I said, in the beginning, I was wondering what time it was. I was lying in my bed. Okay, so I went up here. I said, I was sleeping peacefully until I opened my eyes and saw the clock. It was 8:10, and I had a meeting with Miss Ng at 8:15. Okay, now I'm going to look back at my middle picture. I jumped out of bed and quickly ran out my door. All right, now my third picture. I waved my hand and hoped to get a taxi. I was freaking out. See how I did that? I took my beginning, my middle, and my end and made it into a little flash draft. Not too many sentences, 3, 4, maybe 5. All right, so today when you go back, you're going to make a list of times when you had conflicts, problems, or troubles. Then you're going to pick one, and then you're going to zoom in on it, draw your pictures, and flash draft. Let us know if you have questions. We're here to help you.